Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about the upcoming full moon that is happening in the energy of Aries on the 20th of October at 3:56 p.m. London time, at 5:56 p.m. Athens time. So this is a very powerful and very potent new moon, full moon, and it's really like a follow-up of the last new moon we had in Libra. If you remember from my last video, new moon in Libra was all about which area of our life or which sector is not having balance. What do we need to see and change in terms of bringing more balance into our lives? So this full moon will really push us towards taking this action to change that imbalance, or to act differently in some situation we might feel stuck in. So we have a lot of things to talk about today. First thing I want to mention is, you remember I was telling you in the beginning of October we had so many planets in retrograde, and slowly things are getting more clear, and more planets are getting into direct movement. So we had Pluto and the same day of the new moon that went direct, and then we had Saturn on the 11th of October went direct, and you probably felt that shift. That was a very strong energy the upcoming days after the Saturn returning to direct movement. And now on the 18th we have Mercury and Jupiter going direct. So if you felt like especially last month, or even more than last month, this kind of like energy been really stagnant, things were moving very slow, a lot of delays. This is also Mercury really adds up to that. So now things will start moving slowly more forward. So full moon in Aries, it will also amplify that energy that this direct movement of planets is giving, and is gonna really push us to take this action. It's a very young charged full moon, and it's a very like fiery full moon, I would say. So Aries is the first sign of the zodiac. Aries is the initiator, is the leader, is the warrior, is the one that has the courage, the strength. Aries also represents our passion. So this full moon in Aries is really calling us to take our power back, find our inner strength, find our inner warrior, and take action towards our passion. Take action towards the life of our dreams, the life we want to create for ourselves. How do you see yourself in the future? How do you want to live? But to live your vision, to live the life that you really want, the life that you really dream, you have to take action. And it's really making us creating all this tension, because I'll be talking about the other astrological alignment creates all this tension, so we can really take this movement, this going forward. So as I said, there are many astrological alignments that I want to mention, few of them. So first, very important alignment, we have Sun in Libra conjuncting Mars. So Mars is Mars is the ruler of Aries. So Mars is the planet of war. Mars is the planet that represents the divine masculine, represent action, manifestation, the power. So it also really like brings more even this young and fiery energy in this event. When Sun in Libra is more about, again, like finding this balance. And then we have a very important T-square. In astrology, we call it T-square is an astrological aspect in which we have, in one side we have Pluto, the planet of transformation and death and rebirth in Capricorn. In one side we have Moon in Aries, and in the other side we have the Sun and Mars in Libra. So all this strong T-square will bring a lot of tension. But this is, everything happens for a reason. This happens for the reason to really move the energy that is really stagnant in us, to really pull it up so it can be released, and it can really get this massive push to take this action. So another important aspect I want to mention, another position, is that also Chiron is in Aries. Chiron is the wounded healer, is an asteroid, it represents our deepest wounds and how we will heal. And Chiron in Aries, for me, it shows like really, really massive releases of all blockages. So releases of whatever is blocking us to move forward. So it's going to bring lots of deep healing. And then another thing, also we have Neptune in Pisces in its rulership. So that also highlights our intuition. So in this event, our intuition is also very activated. So to conclude, this is a very powerful time, and I would say, don't try to fit in whatever reality you are in, and really tune in with what your heart really pulls you to. What is your heart want you to do? Where do you want to be, in what place? And I don't mean external place, I mean internal place. What place do you want to be? How do you want to feel? Really tune in. How do you want to feel? How do you see yourself? And really take action out of this, because the action needs to be, as I said, inspired by our passion, by our dream. It doesn't need to be very logical or very ego-orientated or based on insecurity or fear, but more like based on our heart, on our spirit, or on love, on self-love, of course. So take this time in this full moon. It's a very strong one, and it's for a reason so strong, because we have to bring that change in our life. We have to move forward, and take some time to meditate. And also because this energy might feel very intense, and as I said, also very stagnant energy can be released. It's very good to use your body to help it to release this energy by moving your body, like dancing, walking, doing some yoga if you're into yoga, or any kind of sport, just to help this energy to move. Also, red color is very good because it's the color of Aries. So we'll activate this fiery and warrior energy in you. So if you like my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Press the like. Also, I would love to read your comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.